Hey guys, welcome to Yoga with Shruti. I'm Shruti, and today we're going to practice Ujjayi breath. So Ujjayi breath is a pranayama technique in the yogic system that is used to both calm and energize the body and the mind at the same time. This is the type of breath that we typically like to practice during our asana practice, with every exhale going a little bit deeper into the posture. However, this is one of the only types of pranayama that you can practice anywhere. You could be lying down, you could be walking around, or you could just take a few minutes out of your day, sit down, and practice Ujjayi breath. So let's get started. So find yourself on a mat in any seated comfortable position. I normally like to sit on a blanket just for the extra bit of comfort. And then make sure your spine is completely straight. So with your back completely straight, your shoulders roll down, and place the back of your wrists against your knees. And we'll take Jnana Mudra. So that's where your index finger touches your thumb. And we'll simply place our hands in the back of the knees, the back of the wrist. Close your eyes. And for a moment here, let's just pay attention to our breath. So pay attention to your inhale and your exhale. And then when you're ready, we'll take an inhale sound. So you want to feel a little bit of a constriction in the back of your throat. So when we exhale, it will make a hissing sound. So paying close attention to your breath and bringing your awareness to your throat, we'll inhale. And keeping our mouth closed, exhale out of the nose. Almost as if you're forcing the breath out of your system and you're feeling a little bit of a constriction as the breath comes out of your nostrils in the back of your throat. And that should make a hissing sound. So you might have also heard people call this the ocean breath because it sounds like the waves of an ocean. So let's practice that one more time. Your back straight, your shoulders roll down. Take a deep inhale. Now let's do that one more time. So we'll take a deep inhale, and when you can't inhale any further, we'll go ahead and exhale with our mouth closed and exhale out of the nose, feeling a slight constriction in the back of our throat. In the yogic system, the breath or the prana is the flow of energy that flows all throughout our body, which is of extreme importance. And we always try and equalize our breath. So what that means is try and pay attention to the counts of your breath. So if you're breathing in for 4, you want to breathe out for 4 as well. And make sure that our breath isn't broken. So make sure we're exhaling in a continuous manner. For inhaling for 4, you want to exhale in a steady, continuous manner for 4. If you inhale for 6, you want to exhale for 6. So again, like I said, you can practice this any time of the day, sitting down or lying down or standing while you're walking around. It has great benefits for your body. Thank you so much for walking through this with me. I hope you found that helpful. Namaste.